welcome to another assembly. This assembly is going to be a little bit different. The end of the year is a busy time of year, and we have exams, AP exams, report cards, wrapping everything up for the end of the year. And so and June is not a full month, it's only, just till the 11th, just over a week. So we've taken the May assembly and combined it with the June assembly and awards send-off ceremony, and we're pushing it all out as one video this month. And so this video will look at our global competency for the month, which is investigate the world. It will also look at our learner profile characteristic, which is critical thinkers and problem solvers. Then we'll have our awards to push out to the students. And finally, we'll end with the promotional video for our graduation ceremony. We're so proud of our 2021 graduates, and we wanted to share our pride with you. So, without further ado, we will start by singing our Thalun song, and then we'll get into the assembly. Thank you for joining us.
To you, beloved Thalun School, we pledge our very best each day to smile and lend a helping hand and heart, be kind in work and play. For you, dear Thalun, we shall learn and share each honor that we earn. Our stars shall rise in the end, my skies, thanks to thee, dear Thalun School. Thanks to thee, dear Thalun School. To you, beloved Thalun School, we sing with voices proud and strong of friends and memories within our hearts to last a lifetime long. For you, dear Thalun, shining light, shall guide us to a future bright. Our stars shall rise in the end, my skies, thanks to thee, dear Thalun School. Thanks to thee, dear Thalun School. To you, beloved Thalun School, we join together near and far to share our hopes and dreams, a smile or two, to be a shining star. For you, dear Thalun, far or near, our love will shine forever clear. Our stars shall rise in the end, my skies, thanks to thee, dear Thalun School. Thanks to thee, dear Thalun School.
So this month's global competence is investigate the world. Just to remind you of global competence, we have the definition. Global competence is the capacity to examine local, global, and intercultural issues, to understand and appreciate the perspectives and worldviews of others, to engage in open, appropriate, and effective interactions with people from different cultures, and to act for collective well-being and sustainable development. This month's characteristic, like I said, is investigate the world, and our definition of that is I investigate the world beyond my immediate environment by examining issues of local, global, and cultural significance. And this month we would like to recognize 3 groups of students who really have exemplified this global competence. And those 3 groups are, first of all, The Den, which is a television show that's now being produced at Thalun by the drama students. And the group that produced this most recent episode are Sabrina, Anne, and Angela from grade 12 and Andrew from grade 11. And this most recent video was a video about fashion styles, both school related and just of cultural significance from around the world. The second group that we want to recognize is for STEAM, and we had a STEAM, mostly focused science fair type STEAM fair in December. And then in this second semester as well, there was an engineering fair that was run for the grade 8 to 11 students. So we would like to compliment all of the students on completing both of those fairs. And then the last group that we want to recognize is Ms. Tet's art students, who this quarter looked at traditional costumes from around the world and created presentations about those costumes. So thank you to all of those groups for being globally competent this month. This month's Thalun Learner Profile characteristic is critical thinkers and problem solvers. And we have a student who we're going to recognize this month for their ability as a critical thinker and problem solver, and that student is PT from grade 11. So I'm going to share a video with you that shows what it is that PT did to demonstrate this characteristic. So our featured student this month for being a critical thinker and problem solver is PT in grade 11, and he was nominated for being able to create computer programs to think, to problem solve and think critically while doing that. And here's an example of one of the programs that he wrote. So here we go. It's 20 questions, and he's going to try to guess an animal that I'm thinking of. So let's think of an animal. Let's think of a horse. All right, and let's see if he can guess that our word is horse. So we'll say, is it a vertebrate? Oops. There we go. Is it a vertebrate? Yes. Is it amphibian? No. Is it a bird? No. Is it a fish? No. Is it a mammal? Why, yes it is. Can it fly? No, it can't. Can it stay on both the land and in the water? No. Does it live only in the water? No. Can it walk or hop on two legs? Nope. Is it a pet? Not really. Does it lay eggs? No. Is it found in zoos? Not really. Is it a farmer's friend? Yes. Is it used to make one of the most popular menus in the world? No, it is not. I guess a horse. He got it. How many questions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Really good. So this is why he's receiving our award for critical thinkers and problem solvers. Congratulations, PT. So to wrap up this final assembly of the 2020-2021 school year, we are going to hand out some end-of-year awards, and immediately following that, we're going to go right into the graduation ceremony for the graduates of 2021, and that will be the end of the video. So thank you for joining us for another assembly. Goodbye. Have a great summer.